What's up, hungry people? Thanks for finding my channel, Forking Around. My name's Sean, and today we're making chorizo stuffed jalapeno street tacos. If at any time you enjoy this video or if you get value from it, please hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and share. Alright, so we're going to dive right into it here. Let's go through the ingredients first. I have 1 pound of chorizo and 1 pound of Italian sausage, about 12 jalapeno peppers. These are going to be our toppings. We need a little bit of cilantro, about half a bunch, about 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice of 1 lime, and then your favorite street taco. Or if you'd like to make them bigger, you can make them bigger. So first things first. First thing we got to do is we got to cut the jalapenos and take all the seeds out. Okay, so what we want to do is cut the pepper at an angle, okay, just so we can expose the seeds inside, right about there. We're going to save the cap to this because we're going to stuff these in and put the cap back on. And then we will need our paring knife. Okay, so we're just going to take our paring knife here and we're just going to get the seeds out. So we just kind of go around like this. And we're not going to discard these seeds. We're going to use these seeds to mix in with the meat, give it a little bit of spice. I'd say you need about the seeds of 4 jalapenos to make it about a medium heat. So if you like yours hotter or not so hot, put more or less in. Okay, so we just want to get all the seeds out of there. Make sure we get all the seeds off the cap as well. It's not really important that we get them all the way up through the stem because we're going to cook these with the stem on, and then when we're finished we're going to take the stem off. Okay, we got about 11 to go, so fast forward. Okay, so we're going to save seeds from about 4 jalapenos. We're just going to take them like this, find some good ones. And the seeds we're going to put right into our chorizo and Italian sausage mix. And you can use any type of meat that you like. If you want to use beef, we've made these with beef before, they turn out excellent. A couple different varieties that you can do. Whatever you prefer, try it out. Let us know what you think in the comments. Okay, so that looks about 4 jalapenos. And we're going to add tablespoon of cumin, and this is the fun part. This is where we get dirty. Okay, so now we're just going to mix all this up in here, the seeds and the cumin and our meat. Here comes the fun part, stuffing the jalapenos. So when you're doing this, try to stuff them completely full. And with the caps, you don't really need a toothpick or anything like that. They usually just stick right on from the moisture of the meat, just like that. I have found that about a pound of meat will make about 12 to 15 jalapenos. We have a little bit more today, so I'm assuming we're going to have a little bit of meat left over. And the cap on, you can kind of run your finger along the edge there to get any excess off. We're roasting these jalapenos today, so we're going to put a little bit of oil on each pepper. And we're cooking these slow and low, 325, for about 35 to 45 minutes. Get a little bit of olive oil on each one. Then we're going to squeeze and get lemon juice on every single one of these. It's a good idea to line your pan, because once the oils of the jalapenos start coming out, this makes it so much easier. You can use parchment paper like I am, or you can use tin foil. I am going to leave these lines right on here, right on the pan as these cook. We're going to pop these in the oven for about 35-40 minutes at 325, and I'll see you in about 40 minutes. Okay, so this is what they look like after 40 minutes at 325. I'm going to place them under the broiler for 5 minutes to get that nice roasted color, and they'll be ready to go here in about 5 minutes. All right, everybody, here we go. 40 minutes at 325, and then 5 minutes underneath the broiler. These are looking pretty good. Just gonna assemble one or two of these, try them out. So I've let these cool off a little bit so they're not too hot. You're gonna take the stem off the top. Then you're just gonna plop your jalapeno right inside the street taco and put on any of your favorite toppings. I'm gonna do some avocado salsa. This is homemade. I'll put that link in the description for that video. Do a little bit of Mexican cheese on there. A little red onion. A couple fresh tomatoes. And some cilantro. There we go, everyone. One chorizo stuffed jalapeno street taco. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, it's hot. Spicy. Really good. These are perfect for game day tacos or gatherings, whatever you want to make them for. Hey, if you try them out, let us know what you think about the recipe. Let us know what you used. Put it down in the comments. Other than that, thanks for being with us. Before we leave, let's break down everything that we did. So we used 1 pound of chorizo today, 1 pound of Italian sausage. We had 12 jalapenos. We used almost 3/4 of that meat. We put in 1 tablespoon of cumin. Mix that all up. The seeds of about 4 jalapenos, and that's a good medium heat right there. We popped them into the oven for 40 minutes at 325 and then 5 minutes underneath the broiler just to get that nice roasted color to them. And here we are enjoying them. So let us know what you think. Again, we are forking around. I hope you're with people that you love. You're enjoying this recipe. God bless. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot, everybody.